What's up, guys? Man, a lot has been trending on social media. Blord has been arrested by the police. That is what a lot of persons are really responding to. While some people are now saying that the Nigerian police are not really doing the right job, other people are saying they are doing the right job. But the likes of a very dark man is so excited about the arrest of Blord, the billionaire cryptocurrency guy. That is what it is. And this is a huge allegation that we are seeing right now. And a lot of people are really trying to weigh what may come out of it. That is something I can get from this story right here. Very dark man who is so excited about the whole things and talked about how this guy has been swindling a lot of people according to what he's getting, or the report is getting from a lot of people investing on his platforms. And now some people are now criticizing very dark man. But one thing I understand about this very dark man issue is that he's deviating from the right issue right now. That is something I kind of understand, because this is no longer activism. What he should focus on is whether the police are right to have arrested this guy or not about vendetta, because a lot of people are seeing the activities and the actions of very dark man as vindictive, and that is not for an activist. What is your own take about all of this? Because he has been responding through series of videos that has been trending on social media. I want you to catch a glimpse of this particular video so that we get to understand how excited very dark man is, and that is, he is pulling away from the truth.
Breaking news: Blord is now in the police cell as he was picked up, as he was detained today. Yes. So Blord, now when you don't enter there, let me go back to all what you have been saying, because I complained to you, say make you work on your services, say people they cry, say your platform they collect money for their hands. See your response. Very dark man, your papa. Tell your mumu people where they complain, make them enter our office for Asaba, blah blah blah. Then you ended up with no be me and you go to do all these ones. I am too influential to drag you. Office is widely open. Let me read the other one. The lack of money can make one turn to a nuisance. I pray for you today. You shall never be like very dark man. I love Edo. Very dark man, you tag me, your papa. I know you are very influential. Now we won't see who get the influence. But you get money, Ali. You get money. When you come out now, you go humble. Those people where they ginger you. You go humble now.
Guys, do you agree with very dark man on this particular issue? I want you to put that in the comment section, because a lot of people are really responding to this big story at a time like this. I kind of understand the angle is coming from, that this guy has been against him and all those kind of things, and when he actually messaged this guy, he didn't respond, and instead of him to address a lot of issue, but you taking it out of proportion, trying to mock this guy, is really not acceptable. That is not activism for me. That is something I believe about the story of very dark man on this particular issue that is trending out on social media. And he was the first person that actually made a video on this last night. When I saw the video, I was like, what is this? Because Blord posted few hours before the arrest, and a lot of people didn't understand whether he was truly arrested or not. Not until Nigerian police came out to say, now what, this guy is in our custody and he's charged with a lot of things. That is what it is. And I think they will charge him to court at the end of the day. Remember that Blord has actually won a case against the EFCC when he was arrested years ago. But right now, this is another opportunity for him to prove his credibility to an extent. According to a report, they said he's charged on one violation of the CBN Act. Another one is terrorism funding and a lot of other cyber fraud. And these are big allegations, and if proven, this guy is going to spend a lot of times in jail. That is something a lot of people are really talking about right now, that is trending on social media. But many people are now saying that the lives of very dark man is really against the rich people in our society, and that is not cool at all. But you need to actually understand that when you are doing business, you have to be clean. That is something I believe, because it is often said that or coming to equity, you must come with clean hands. That is what it is right now. A lot of people are really getting concerned about this, and this is going to affect the businesses of Blord at the time. That is what a lot of us need to actually understand by this big story. And Very Dark Man still got a particular video that is trending, and he got this to say at the end of the day.
All right, so I see some people saying, Blord go EFCC, sue EFCC, one and all that. Ace, NPF-NCCC is not EFCC. For me, it is 10 times better than EFCC. This ones, I can beat my chest that they don't collect bribe. To the best of my knowledge, they don't take bribe for anything. Even if everybody, let's assume, say they collect bribe. You see that their director, that commissioner of police, Uche Ifeanyi Henry, I can beat my chest that is not going to take bribe from anybody. That's why I have confidence to go there on a lot of cases, and I know that they will do it well. Why you say they come online, come brag? If they talk, say you collect money, I'll tell you, say no worry. I know where I'll go. They go collect that money. You go beat my chest. I'm not saying EFCC collect bribe, but some people say they do. You understand? They've alleged countless times that if you give EFCC money, they'll come out. And they are part of the people that spoiled a lot of things in this country. And that's just the honest truth. They are part of the people that spoiled a lot of things in this country. But that's by the way. Now, the main truth of the matter is this, right? The main truth of this Blord matter, I'll just tell you the main truth. It seems that my own case, at the end of the day, when I brought it in, it was like a tip on the iceberg. It was like a tip on the iceberg. Let me just tell you the truth. My own case was like a tip on the iceberg. It was as if some people had already brought a bigger petition from the higher places. That's just the truth. Do you understand? So my own was like, okay.
This is a grievous allegation. I think this is concerning right now. A lot of people are saying that, man, they should charge him to court and then they should prove a case against him, or he can prove otherwise and win against the Nigerian police. That is what it is right here. You need to actually understand that this fraud case is a very serious one. If the terrorism kind of charge is in it, I think it's a very strong one, because coming out of this case is not going to be easy if his hands are not clean. That is something I will tell you about all of this. What is your own story about this? I want you to put that in the comment section so that we can talk about it further. Right now, a lot of people are dragging Two-Face Idibia on certain issues. Two-Face Idibia responded to the assassination attempt on former president of US, Donald Trump, and a lot of people are saying that that is a very stupid act of Two-Face Idibia. How would you say that is staged when somebody's life is really involved in a big story? Donald Trump's assassination attempt, which the person missed Donald Trump and the bullet hit somebody that died at the end of the day. Instead of Two-Face Idibia to respond, better to this kind of story, he responded casually and then term it as staged to an extent. And a lot of people are really dragging Two-Face Idibia on this. I hope he learns from this, because before you make a comment, you should have your facts right, especially when you are a celebrity on social media. That is one thing I kind of understand about all of this. What are your own takes about this story? I want you to put that in the comment section so that we can talk about it further. Before I jump off, I want to say thank you guys for watching our videos and thank you for the love so far. If you are new here, you can click the subscribe button below and the bell notification icon to always get notifications each time we upload our videos.